Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emma and welcome. In today's video, which is the fourth episode of the Wash Day series, if you're just joining us, this is a Wash Day series, and in episode 1, 2 and 3 showed you guys how to properly pre-poo, shampoo and deep condition respectively. So in today's video, the fourth episode, I'll be showing you guys the moisture routine. Moisture is extremely important in your natural hair care, just because especially we who have curly hair, it's very difficult for the natural oils that are produced on our scalp to run through strands of our hair. So what you want is to kind of supplement that with oils and just moisture, ensuring that your hair is properly moisturized, and beyond that, ensuring that that moisture is sealed in so the moisture doesn't escape. The main methods for moisturizing are the Loc Method and the LCO method. And the Loc Method, L stands for liquid or leave-in, O stands for oils, and C stands for cream. But the LCO method is just the other way around. You have liquid or leave-in, your cream, and then oils. In my own hair routine, I like to refer to L as a liquid and a leave-in. The number one source for moisture for your hair is water. So I always have water and my leave-in. I always have water just in case. Sometimes I have my fan on when I'm trying to moisturize, and by the time I get to a particular stage, my hair feels somewhat dry, and so I would just spritz it with a bit of water just to add some moisture before going on with my leave-in. I do my moisture routine when my hair is about 60 to 70% dry, so my hair is pretty much damp. I'm using leave-in oil and cream or leave-in cream and oil. I switch between both, so I just listen to my hair and do what it wants at that point. For my moisture routine, as I said, I've got water in my spray bottle. I am using one of my favorite leave-ins is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil Hydrate and Strengthen leave-in cream. All right guys, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love how this smells. It just has the perfect water cream base. For my oil, I am using my DIY herbal oil, and this is what it looks like. And also for my cream, which is my sealant, is my whipped butter whipped cream. Now that you guys know everything, let's get right onto it.
First thing I do is put all the sections away so I can concentrate on one section at a time. I then scoop out some of the products that I'll be using. If you don't know this yet, I do this all the time. I scoop out the products I would need separately from the main product, so I don't have to keep dipping my hands into the product, for hygiene purposes. So the leave-in is in that bowl and the butter is on the cover of the butter container. And the first thing I go on with on my hair is the leave-in. I just massage that into my strands and concentrate on my ends as well, and then just separate and massage, just making sure that that entire section is fully coated with this hydration and moisture. I then follow up using my DIY whipped butter, which represents the cream in this LCO method. Now you really want to take your time to massage these products in, especially if you're low porosity, otherwise the products will simply sit on your strands as opposed to penetrating and moisturizing your strands. Finally, I follow up using my DIY herbal oil, and then I lightly comb using a white tooth comb just in case there are any tangles due to shrinkage that might have occurred, because you don't want your hair tangled before putting it in your protective style. Once I'm done combing or detangling, I separate that section into two and then put it in my all-time go-to protective style chunky twist. So I am just twisting that section up, and once I'm done, I'll retwist the other section and then repeat the entire process. So as I said earlier, sometimes my fan is on while I am moisturizing my hair, and so when I get to a particular point, my hair begins to feel drier than what I want it to be. So I use a mist spray bottle to add a bit of water for hydration, and then just get my hair back to its damp state, which is the state I prefer it to be before I start to moisturize.
This is basically what a wash day routine should be like: pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition, and moisturize. As I said in the first episode, I would include the add-ons subsequently onto this series, but at least now you have the basic wash day routine. Let me know in the comment section what moisturizing routine you do. Do you do the LCO method or the Loc method, or have you done both, and which one do you prefer? I hope that you learned something from the entire series. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next one.